Hey, kia ora whanau, welcome back to Kaitaki Marakai. This is Lewai here in our backyard gardens. We did a bit of mahi today, so all that harakeke that was inside these raised beds on the other side here, we're actually transplanting them because we are going to plant them, but they've got a rough deal from us. So what we're doing is we're putting them into picket, a little picket, just to get the roots some grounding. And then we're going to probably get them planted out, but we were just doing a bit of that, bit of bagging of those. So we take them from where they're on lying down, give them a bit of a hydration, and then bag them out. So that's some of the mahi. If you want some, let us know, give us a shout, give us a koha, or we might come up with a number around about $10 type of thing. But hey, it just all helps out with compost and all that type of stuff. And the other one is we planted out some more brassicas that we got along here. So we put down some broccoli and here, talked through the guys from the process of creating a worm farm, utilizing the worm juice and the worm poop, which is called, just slipping in my mind, been a long day, worm castings. So we took out from this side of the bath a bucket of worm castings after we tidied that up, and then brought it over here. And then when I put down each seedling, we put a little bit of worm castings in at the bottom, and mixed in blood and bone and a little bit of lime around the place, but utilizing the worm castings as a fertilizer. And as you can see, I've put the rest of it around my plants that are a little bit yellow, and over there as well. And then the last part, we watered it in, and so we utilized the water that we catch over there and some worm juice, and the guys watered in the plants that we had planted. These are the ones that we did last week, so they're coming along pretty good, but utilizing everything in the garden. So yep, it's all preparation. It's all about preparing the soil ready for planting out. Put some potatoes down in there yesterday that we found, so I just planted them out, see what happens over there. Summertime, we're just going to put some lettuces in here, so we're just building up the soil health around there. These two beds that we made on this side, the same thing. I'm going to probably plant strawberries in there over summer, maybe. And then today we've created a new bed on the other side. And why I've done that is because the water runs down this hill this way, and so I'm trying to create an artificial swale without necessarily digging it, so that as it comes down, it captures here. If it goes further down, it captures in there, and the water, as it captures, because normally it pools, all the water pools up in here, as you've seen. I'm hoping to capture some of the water. I'm just thinking about it, I may create a little bit of a swale part in here and put the dirt over here. So if rain does come down, it will flow into it and then eventually seep out. But I'm just thinking through that because I kind of like it as it is at the moment. But yeah, anyway, that's what we've been doing so far this week. Maras A and B, which is two other gardens that we worked on today as well, which has been awesome. The guys are doing great. Look at that. What do you notice? Side lesson, jungle tip. Have a look at the plant. What do you notice? Which way is it growing? This is a hint. If you've seen it, you picked it up. Yeah. Notice that it's leaning towards where the sun is at this time of year, whereas in summertime it tends to be straight up. So those plants have got a bit of a lean this way, so they're reaching out to the sun as it goes through. Just a little thing to notice. I kind of do that stuff, be observant of what's happening in your mother. Alright then, okay whānau, thanks for watching so long. Enjoy, and yeah, happy gardening. Kia ora.